A tidy workspace, typing on a laptop. Have you found it hard to compose a professional email? No matter if it's for a job, workplace issues, or client interactions, crafting a clear and professional email is an essential skill. This video will provide you with a straightforward, step-by-step approach to consistently write perfect emails. Part 1.1. The importance of email writing. Scenes from an office. Yash Email Alerts. Email stands as one of the key tools for communication in the professional realm. An effectively written email leaves a lasting impression, whereas a poorly constructed one can harm your reputation. Let's dive into writing emails that remain clear, courteous, and productive. Part 2. The format of a professional email. On-screen visual of an email template. A standard professional email consists of 5 essential components. 1. Subject line. Keep it brief and informative. Example: leave request, 18 March. 2. Greeting. Begin with a courteous opener. Examples: Dear Sir, Madam. Hello, Mr. Sharma. 3. Opening line. Clearly express your intention. Example: I am writing to seek leave for 1 day. Main body. Convey your message using straightforward and concise sentences. Example: I have a personal matter on the 18th March. I'll finish my tasks before the leave. 5. Closing line. Conclude with courtesy. Examples: Thank you for your understanding. Looking forward to your reply. 6. Signature. Always remember to add your name. Example: Regards, your name. Part 3. What to do and what to avoid. Visual. Split screen. Good examples versus bad examples. Voiceover. Do's. Make it concise and clear. Use straightforward language. Double check grammar and spelling. Remain courteous and professional. Don'ts. Avoid slang or casual phrases. Don't create long paragraphs. Do not omit the subject line. Avoid sending without proofreading. Part 4. A practical example. Full email displayed on screen. Let's review a comprehensive example. Subject: leave request. 18th March. Dear Sir, I am writing to request leave for 1 day on 18th March for personal reasons. I'll ensure all my tasks are completed beforehand. Thank you for your understanding. Best regards. Your name. You now know how to compose a professional email step by step. Practice this template and you'll find it easier moving forward. Check out other instructional videos on my channel and practice them. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more practical learning videos. Bonus tip: professional emails are not about sophisticated language. They focus on effective communication.